all know that what is the circle. Now we have to come how a circle formed and how collection of points are called circle. The question is that how these points make a circle and how they form like a circle. The points at a equal distance from a central point is called circle. Circle with and these lines center to the point, it is called center, and the line which is touch the center to the any point of the circle is called radius. In mathematics there are there are different branches: geometric, algebra, number theory, etc. But we have to see the circle in geometry and algebra, that how to represent the circle in geometry, and in geometry it's shaped like this, and how we represent circle in algebra. When we represent any figure in algebra, so then it is called equation. We have to show anything in algebra with equation. So when we make the equation of a circle, there is a center 0 with point H and K, and the P is the point on any point on the circle, which point is X and Y, and their length is R. So distance between OP is equal to R. And the question is that how we make a equation. So the distance formula of points P and O, it is square root x minus h का whole square plus y minus k का whole square equal to R, and when we squaring on both sides we get the general equation of the circle. It is also known as standard form of equation. It is the general form of equation. What is the equation that is when its center is 0 and 0? When we put the center, it is a standard form equation. We put 0 0 in place of h, we get x square plus y square equal to r square. It is the equation when the circle is at origin. We learn in this video that circle in geometric form, center point p, x, y and radius r. We also learned algebraic form, two algebraic form of circle. One, it is first one general equation, and the second one